What is up, you guys? I just started a new challenge today, and it is the FundedNext Express Challenge. Cool thing about the Express Challenge is you get paid straight away, and the profit target is 25%. And while you're still achieving that profit target, you'll get paid monthly. You'll still get paid the 12% before that, and after achieving the target, you'll get 60%, then 75%. And then eventually you'll get 90% on the third withdrawal. You'll get a 90% profit split, so that is really cool. So I just started it today, day one, and I'm at 721 profit. It is a 100K account, so I gotta achieve 25K with this account. And we're almost at 1%, we gotta make 25%. Now I did apply for the consistency, meaning I have to use the same amount of lot sizes. I can't make any rational decisions like putting suddenly like 20, 50 lots or something like that. I have to stay consistent. I'm doing 2 lots on the JPY. I'm doing 0.5 on gold, and I'm doing 1 lot on the USD pair, so Euro USD, Great British Pound USD, stuff like that. Those are going to be my lot sizes for every single trade. All the USD pairs, I'm going to be using 1 lot and 0.5 for gold and 2 for JPY. So the cool thing now is from this $721, I'll get paid already 12%. So I've already made almost $80 today. The payout date is on the 25th of March. Today is the 23rd of February. So the next payout is pretty much within a month. The profits from today are not processed yet. We're not going to take it obviously as well. I'm just going to be trading the whole month, but I will keep you guys updated. And this is one thing that I really like about them. They do help with charity work. From 8th February to 9th of March, every subscription from FundedNext, they will arrange a nutritious meal for 2 people facing hunger, so that is really nice. I do like that about FundedNext. They're at least doing some kind of charity work, which is really nice. Check out my free Forex community in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.